Hubble Telescope. The Hubble Space Telescope, named after astronomer Edwin Hubble, it has been one of the most iconic and influential scientific instruments of the last few decades. Since its launch in 1990, Hubble has transformed our understanding of the universe, revealing some of the most stunning and surprising sights in space. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the story of Hubble, from its conception to its present-day legacy. So, welcome to our channel, Hidden Rees. Edwin Hubble was an American astronomer who made several groundbreaking contributions to our understanding of the universe. He is best known for discovering that the universe is expanding, which helped establish the Big Bang theory. Using the powerful telescope at Mount Wilson Observatory in California, he also identified and classified many galaxies beyond our Milky Way, showing that the universe is much larger than previously thought. Hubble's observations also led to the realization that there are different types of galaxies, including elliptical and spiral galaxies. His work revolutionized our understanding of the universe and paved the way for modern cosmology. Hubble's history is just as fascinating as its discoveries. The idea of space telescope was first proposed in the 1940s by astronomer Lyman Spitzer, who saw the potential of a space-based observatory to overcome the limitations of ground-based telescopes. Spitzer's vision was to place a telescope in orbit above the Earth's atmosphere, where it could take clearer and more detailed images of the universe. In 1977, NASA launched a committee to study the feasibility of a space telescope, and in 1983, the project was officially approved. NASA began to develop the technology needed to make the space telescope a reality. However, the project faced numerous setbacks and delays due to budget constraints and technical challenges. Hubble was designed to be a revolution in observational astronomy. Unlike ground-based telescopes, which are limited by atmospheric distortion and light pollution, Hubble would be able to take clear, sharp images of space from above the Earth's atmosphere. But the road to launch was a bumpy one. Hubble was originally scheduled to launch in 1986, but the Challenger disaster delayed the launch until 1990. The Hubble Space Telescope was launched into orbit on April 24, 1990, by the Space Shuttle Discovery. The Hubble was the first major optical telescope to be placed in space, giving it an unobstructed view of the cosmos. And when Hubble finally made it to space, there was a problem. The telescope's primary mirror was flawed. The mirror had been ground to the wrong shape, causing images to be blurry. But thanks to a daring and unprecedented repair mission in 1993. In December 1993, a team of astronauts aboard the Space Shuttle Endeavour embarked on a historic mission to repair and upgrade the Hubble Space Telescope. The mission, known as STS-61, was the first of 5 servicing missions to the telescope and is often referred to as the first Hubble servicing mission. During the 11-day mission, the crew performed a series of spacewalks to install new instruments and repair and upgrade existing ones. They replaced the telescope's wide-field, planetary camera with an improved version, installed a new solar array, and repaired the telescope's gyroscopes and guidance sensors. The mission was a critical success and greatly improved the capabilities of the Hubble Space Telescope. The mission also demonstrated the feasibility and importance of human spaceflight for servicing and repairing scientific instruments in space. Since then, Hubble has continued to produce stunning and scientifically valuable images of the cosmos. Some of its most famous images include the Pillars of Creation, the Hubble Ultra Deep Field, and the first images of planets orbiting other stars. Recently, NASA celebrated the 33rd anniversary of the Hubble Space Telescope. For over 3 decades, the Hubble has been capturing stunning images and making groundbreaking discoveries about our universe. The Hubble has several instruments on board that allow it to capture images across the electromagnetic spectrum. Its primary camera is the Wide-Field Camera 3, which can see visible, ultraviolet, and infrared light. It also has a spectrograph, which breaks down light into its component wavelengths to reveal information about the chemical composition and motion of celestial objects. Over the past 33 years, the Hubble has made numerous discoveries that have revolutionized our understanding of the universe. It has captured stunning images of galaxies, nebulae, and star clusters, giving us a glimpse into the birth and evolution of these cosmic structures. It has also helped us to better understand the nature of dark matter and dark energy, 2 mysterious components of the universe that we still don't fully understand. The Hubble has had a profound impact on astronomy, inspiring a new generation of scientists and sparking new research into the mysteries of the cosmos. Its discoveries have led to new theories and models of the universe, and its images have captured the public's imagination and helped to popularize astronomy and space exploration. Over the years, the Hubble has undergone several maintenance missions to replace worn-out parts and upgrade its instruments. These missions have been carried out by spacewalking astronauts, who have risked their lives to keep the Hubble operating at peak performance. Thanks to their efforts, the Hubble is still producing groundbreaking science and stunning images, 33 years after its launch. Finally, let's take a look at some of the Hubble's most memorable moments. From the famous Pillars of Creation image to the discovery of the accelerating expansion of the universe, the Hubble has given us countless breathtaking and awe-inspiring images of our universe. Let's take a look at some of them now. But Hubble's influence goes beyond just pretty pictures. It has helped scientists make breakthroughs in understanding the age and expansion of the universe, the formation of galaxies and stars, and the search for exoplanets and other signs of life. Astronomers are celebrating NASA's Hubble Space Telescope's 33rd launch anniversary with an ethereal photo of a nearby star-forming region, NGC 1333. The nebula is in the Perseus molecular cloud, and located approximately 960 light-years away. Hubble's colorful view, showcased through its unique capability to obtain images from ultraviolet to near-infrared light, unveils an effervescent cauldron of glowing gases and pitch-black dust stirred up and blown around by several hundred newly forming stars embedded within the dark cloud. Hubble just scratches the surface because most of the star-birthing firestorm is hidden behind clouds of fine dust, essentially soot, that are thicker toward the bottom of the image. The blackness in the image is not empty space, but filled with obscuring dust. To capture this image, Hubble peered through a veil of dust on the edge of a giant cloud of cold molecular hydrogen, the raw material for fabricating new stars and planets under the relentless pull of gravity. The image underscores the fact that star formation is a messy process in our rambunctious universe. Ferocious stellar winds, likely from the bright blue star at the top of the image, are blowing through a curtain of dust. The fine dust scatters the starlight at blue wavelengths. Farther down, another bright, super-hot star shines through filaments of obscuring dust, looking like the sun shining through scattered clouds. A diagonal string of fainter accompanying stars looks reddish because dust is filtering starlight, allowing more of the red light to get through. The bottom of the picture presents a keyhole peek deep into the dark nebula. Hubble captures the reddish glow of ionized hydrogen. It looks like a fireworks finale, with several overlapping events. This is caused by pencil-thin jets shooting out from newly forming stars outside the frame of view. These stars are surrounded by circumstellar disks, which may eventually produce planetary systems, and powerful magnetic fields that direct two parallel beams of hot gas deep into space, like a double lightsaber from science fiction films. They sculpt patterns on the hydrogen cocoon, like laser light show tracings. The jets are a star's birth announcement. This view offers an example of the time when our Sun and planets formed inside such a dusty molecular cloud, 4.6 billion years ago. Our Sun didn't form in isolation but was instead embedded inside a mosh pit of frantic stellar birth, perhaps even more energetic and massive than NGC 1333. And so ends our brief tour of the history of the Hubble Space Telescope. From its rocky start to its current position as one of the most beloved and influential scientific instruments ever built, Hubble has changed the way we see the universe. And it will continue to do so for years to come. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel for more interesting video.